Stop scrolling. If your plan for 2026 is to quit your job and start a business, don't do it. You are being lied by 20 something internet gurus selling you a dream that doesn't exist. They tell you to escape the matrix and be your own boss, but they conventionally forget to mention one terrifying statistics. 95% of new businesses fall within their first year. If you jump in unprepared, you aren't building freedom. You are building your own financial prison. Most people start a business for the wrong reason. They hate their current job. They think working for themselves means total freedom. But here is the bourgeois reality of day one. You aren't just the CEO, you are also the unpaid intern, the accountant, the customer service agent, and the janitor. In a 9 to 5, if you have a bad day, you still get paid. In your own business, if you don't perform, you don't eat. You trade a 14-hour work week for an 18-hour work week with zero guaranteed return. This is why most people quit. They didn't want business. They just wanted an escape. The second reason you shouldn't start a business right now is vanity. Most beginners spend their first 3 weeks ordering fancy business cards, designing a logo, and setting up an LLC. They spend thousands of dollars on software, inventory, and websites before they have ever made a single dollar. This is called playing business. The silent killer of entrepreneurship isn't a bad idea. It's a lack of cash flow. If you run out of money before you find customer, the game is over. True, entrepreneurships don't build a product and pray people buy it. They find the desperate crowd first, see what they are begging for, and then they deliver it. So when we come to the solution, what should you do instead? You don't quit your day job. You build a micro hustle, total secret. Before you invest a single dollar, you find an MVP, minimum valuable product. You can get three complete stranger to pay you for your skills, your service, or your idea, while you still have a steady paycheck. If the answer is no, you haven't ruined your life or drained your saving. You simply pivot. If the answer is yes, you keep building until your side income matches your full-time job. Stop playing business. Start solving real problems. If you want to know the exact step-by-step frame to work to validate your side hustle in less than 48 hours without spending a dime, watch this video right here. Click it now and let's build something that actually lasts.